in this portion of the video, Your Honor, when you're looking from here, you cannot see it. But if you look to the far left of the screen, that's the BP gas station where Mr. Drinks was prior to his homicide.
Okay.
And Detective Grimsley has the ability, even from this distance, I know it seems interesting, but he was able to see the specific times in which Mr. Drinks' vehicle, the Audi, and the other vehicle leave the gas station initially from the distance. This is something that may or may not come in, but that's what the purpose of those 5 minutes are.
Okay.
And then from here, what the testimony will be is Detective Hogan saw this video first, and because of this video, that is why he went down to the BP to actually get the actual surveillance video from the BP gas station and the other 3 locations, Your Honor. So
the purpose of this video is to say that the detective saw this and it led him to want to go get more video?
And that's all. And again, these are just, we put items in here where, that's what this video is.
I'm trying to understand. So Detective Grimsley, off of that video, and Ms. Hylton, I'm not coming at you. I'm trying to understand. Detective Grimsley on this video is able to look in the upper corner and see the cars leaving?
I mean, you can see cars coming and going. I don't doubt that. But I mean, if the only purpose of it is...
He's able to, and you can call him and question him because we talked about it as to how and why he's able to do that. But he is able to, yes.
Okay. Well, I mean, just ask him those 2 questions, and if you even need to. Why do we need to get to what it is that he ultimately saw on a better...
We are ultimately talking about the investigation because one of the defenses that some of the investigation has not been the best. So this is just all the steps that APD took in the initial part of this homicide in order to solve it. And so this was one of the steps, the investigative steps that they took in order to solve this homicide.
I don't think that we need to be worried about that. So let's...
Well, the state has the burden, so we have to worry about those things, Your Honor.
Then
but
I am going to rule that it is a waste of time under 403. And then if the defense wants to question, well, how did you know to go to the BP video and get that, then you can play it. But otherwise, no. Next.